For many homeowners, the best time of year for Window Replacement Baytown TX is during the mild months of late fall, winter, and early spring. Scheduling installation when temperatures are cooler can make ceiling, insulation, and full-frame window replacement Baytown TX for brick homes more manageable, especially in neighborhoods near Garth Road, Goose Creek, and Cedar Bayou. It is also easier to book same-day window replacement consultation in the Baytown TX area before peak summer demand increases for emergency upgrades and storm-ready installations. Energy savings are a major reason to invest in energy-efficient window replacement Baytown TX. Homes near Lakewood and Eastpoint often benefit from low E-glass window replacement Baytown TX, insulated frames, and double pane window replacement for hot, humid climates in Baytown TX. These upgrades can reduce solar heat gain, improve indoor comfort, and support lower cooling costs during long Gulf Coast summers. Energy-efficient window replacement. Baytown TX for Lakewood homes is especially valuable where west-facing windows increase afternoon heat. Knowing the signs you need, window replacement Baytown TX homes can prevent higher replacement costs later. Drafts, fogging between panes, sticking sashes, soft frames, water intrusion, and rising utility bills often indicate failing units. In older neighborhoods and custom-size window replacement for older homes in Baytown TX, visible frame deterioration can signal the need for window frame replacement and installation in Baytown TX rather than another repair. Window replacement versus window replacement in Baytown TX usually comes down to age, efficiency, and long-term performance. Many local property owners want to know how much does window replacement Baytown TX cost before starting a project. Pricing depends on window style, frame material, glazing package, labor complexity, and whether the project involves retrofit window replacement specialists in Baytown TX and LaPorte or full-frame installation. A bay window replacement cost guide in Baytown TX will differ significantly from standard single-hung or sliding units. Home window replacement estimates in Baytown TX near Cedar Bayou often vary based on accessibility, custom sizing, and existing structural conditions. Vinyl window replacement benefits for Baytown TX homeowners include durability, affordability, and low maintenance. Affordable vinyl window replacement Baytown TX and Eastpoint is popular because vinyl resists moisture, does not need frequent repainting, and performs well in humid coastal conditions. For families comparing single-hung versus double-hung replacement windows in Baytown TX, vinyl models offer dependable value across styles. Many residential window replacement company options in Baytown TX near Worcester recommend vinyl for homeowners seeking a balance of energy efficiency and cost control. Avoiding common window replacement mistakes to avoid in Baytown TX can protect your investment from day one. Homeowners should not rely solely on price, ignore product ratings, skip permit questions, or choose incorrect frame materials for coastal conditions. A house window replacement expert in Baytown TX serving Chambers County can explain whether premium replacement windows in Baytown TX near Baytown Nature Center, low E-glass window replacement Baytown TX near Highlands TX, or double pane window replacement contractors in Baytown TX are the best fit. Professional guidance helps prevent leaks, poor fit, and premature failure. Choosing the right installer matters just as much as selecting the right product. Homeowners searching for how to choose a window replacement contractor in Baytown TX should verify licensing, insurance, product knowledge, installation methods, local references, and manufacturer certifications. The best window replacement installers in Baytown TX should also explain permits for window replacement Baytown TX, timeline expectations, and warranty terms clearly. Working with a licensed window replacement company in Baytown TX, serving Goose Creek Reserve, can reduce risk and improve long-term window performance.